So the process to turn on speedometer on Google Maps on iPhone is quite easy and simple. So just go and open up your app, and once that is open, you need to go and tap on this profile icon at the right top corner. So if you tap on this pop-up will appear. Once inside here, you need to go and tap on settings. So you can see settings here, tap on settings. Once this opens up, you need to, at the top, you can see getting around. And under that, you have navigation. Tap on navigation. Inside here, you need to scroll down a bit. Scroll down a bit more, more, more. And here, you can see show speedometer. So just go and make sure this is turned on. So once this is turned on, you will be getting the speedometer once you start navigating. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to turn on and show the speedometer on Google Maps on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.